Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Fran from Fantastic and today is the end of the makeup challenge. Thank God, because I figured out makeup every day is not for me. Not now, not ever. First of all, my skin cannot handle the makeup every day. It gets red and itchy and I really don't like that. Also, I guess I'm really not that into makeup. I like doing it every once in a while and I will keep trying out some different tutorials along my life just for fun. But doing it every day is exhausting. I've tried it out a couple of times. I will show you the results and now. And there are a couple of things I learned from it. The first thing I learned is that I should do my eye makeup a little bit different to make my eyes pop a little bit more. Also, I figured out that even though I thought I would really like makeup because it's really creative and I really love it on other people, I just don't have the stamina for it. So I hear you wondering, aren't we going to do some makeup today? Yes, we are going to do some makeup today. We are going to do some contouring. We are going to do a winged eyeliner. And we are going to do another very colorful eye makeup. For today, I've prepared 3 tutorials I'm going to follow. Let's go. So today we're going to start off the makeup tutorial, how to contour and highlight from Nikki Tutorials. I tried to do a Nikki Tutorials tutorial before, but I got lost somewhere along the way. If you hear something, it's my new little puppy. I've got this contouring set. As you can see, I already tried to use it, but I'm not sure how. So today we are going to learn how to really do it. I was in the process of adopting a puppy and we adopted Pennywise. So if you hear something, it's probably her. If you think there's a weird cut or something, I have to get to the puppy because puppies are like babies. They need a lot of attention. They need a lot of correction. And they also need a little love. She's so cute. So let's start the contouring. There's like something here and then... So it was quite a journey for the puppy because she came from Greece and she had to travel for 2 days. So when she came here, she was really timid and a bit scared. And oh my God. And she's trying to get out of the bench now. Okay, this one is, I guess, better a little bit. So the first night it was like sleeping with a little baby in the house. We had to sleep with her because she was very scared and she really needed some company in the night. But after a few days we trained her to sleep in the bench and it went a lot better after that. Okay, I got the puppy out. Let's continue. Oh. Diffusing and blending it out. She's doing quite well, but she's still scared to go outside. I think it's because she isn't used to all the sounds and all the people and all the other dogs. Hey, Penny, nay. She's ruining her doghouse. But she's kind of used to being with our family and she gradually gets more confident and is more at ease at showing her personality. She's a little rascal. Okay, let's get on with this contouring. The darkest part should be right here and you should follow the line to your nose. Let's try to blend it out a little bit. I'm gonna put on some more because I think it's needed. Trying another brush. Okay, getting there, I think. Okay, so since we are having the puppy, it's been a lot. It's a lot of work, it takes a lot of time, a lot of dedication, and a lot of patience.
How to achieve ultimate patience.
And now I'm trying to train her to recognize her name and also to sit and lay down. I don't want to overwhelm her, but also I need to correct her a lot because she puts everything in her mouth. She chews, on everything. Nee. Yeah, she's a little bit mischievous. She has to go. I'll be right back. Okay, so I walk the puppy. Let's get on with this contouring. It will get better. Putting this on my temples and following the hairline. As you can see, gray hairs everywhere. But I'm okay with it. I'm trying to get back to virgin hair. So I have to accept whatever is coming up. And I have to watch the puppy as well. So I'm doing everything at the same time because it's very chaotic as usual. We're going in with some bronzer, just a little bit. Go in circular motions to really blend it in. She's barely touching it. Well, I don't even know what that means. You're barely touching it. It's like, are you hovering above it and then bloop? Or are you? Because that's what I did. Circular motions. I have to say, this bronzer smells great. It's the Essence Sun Club Shattering Bronzer Powder.
Bronzer powder!
Okay, so I just did the bronzer. I look like if I sat in the sun for, well, with my skin tone, it will take me a while to get this color naturally. But I like it. It's okay.
It's okay, it's okay!
Now I'm doing the highlighter. I don't know if you know Nikki Tutorials. She uses a lot of highlighter. So I'm doing that as well.
Let me have the shiny face.
And then I'm going in with the blush. And I'm putting that on the apples of my cheek. So now I'm going to bake it. Bake it till you make it. I'm not sure if that's really the term. But I'm going with it. And she's doing it with a blender thingy. So I'm doing that as well. I'm just gonna ram it in my face. You're looking mighty shiny today. So I'm done doing this makeup tutorial from Nikki Tutorials. Every time I'm doing a Nikki tutorial, it is either too hard for me or I'm not really glad with the explanation I'm getting. I need a little bit more than that she's giving. In this case, I like it. It's a bit heavy. I think when I go outside, I will be like blinging everywhere. What do you think? You like my contouring? You have some tips for me? Thing I'm going to do is putting on an eyeliner. Okay, I'm back. I let the puppy out, do her thing. Let's just get back to business and do the winged eyeliner. I have a pen this time with another kind of tip here. And I'm going to use a mirror that's close by because otherwise I don't know how to do it. I'm really bad at it.
Clap, clap. Now it's time to clean up.
Okay, so I'm done with this eyeliner. Is it perfect? No, it'll have to do. I've been doing this for like 15 minutes already. I have to be quick, because before I know it, the puppy will be awake and I have to go out and play with him, and it's okay, but you know, it's like having a baby. And then when the baby sleeps, you do the dishes and you do the laundry, and you do all those kinds of things, you know, quick, because you know, when the baby wakes up, you have to invest all the time in the baby. It's the same with a puppy. I didn't know that before I got the puppy, but now I do. We have the eyeliner, we have the contouring and the blush. And now we're going to go into the makeup. To be honest, I just like the colors of this makeup. Not totally sure it goes with my outfit. There's a lot of colors in here and I'm thinking, what's a couple of colors more? Does eye makeup always have to match your clothes? Or do you match it with, I don't know. Tell me, what do you match your eye makeup with? Or don't you match your eye makeup with your clothes? Is that like old school? I already did the brows and the foundation and the concealer. So now we're going to go with the eyes and let's do this. Okay, as you can see, I'm going for a very colorful makeup again. Okay, so I have the base done for this eye makeup and I'm going to blend it out a little bit. I'm trying to follow all the rules. Because I have hooded eyes, I have to put my arch of the eye a little bit higher so you can actually see the color. But I think I took it up too high here. I'm trying out this look. It looks nothing like hers. The tutorial I'm following goes very quick and I'm trying to keep up with her. It's getting messy. I have to say, I'm going to be very glad this makeup thing is over because that looks kind of cool. Okay, she's doing a cut crease and she's doing all kinds of things, but oh my god, I'm so all over the place today. I can't focus. I can't seem to get my mind together. Just gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna put on some lashes. Well, okay, let's talk. I'm kind of done with it. I've been on this for a few hours now because I have to do all kinds of things in between and I'm not focused anymore. If the puppy wakes up any moment, I just want to finish my makeup so I can go outside. Let's put on some lashes, put on some mascara, put on some lipstick, and I will tell you what the new challenge is going to be. I like the colors on this. Maybe I should do some color underneath. I'm just gonna do it. At this point, I'm not willing to follow a tutorial anymore. I will work with what I've got and maybe, you know, shine it up a little. I would like some more shimmers. So I'm gonna put a little bit of shimmer on my eye. I think it's kind of cool. I don't care anymore. Just gonna finish this up like I want to. Put a little bit of shimmer. Because we have the shiny face already, so why not the eyes? Tomato color underneath. Okay, so this is the look for today. It wasn't really what I was going for, but you know, my focus is all over the place and I'm just glad this makeup challenge is over with. Because I found out I'm not particularly good at it. I don't particularly like it. And well, this look looks fine. It's fine. I'm not gonna do this every day. Maybe I will do this when I have like a salsa party or something. The next challenge is going to be fantasy drawing. I already started a little, so next week you're going to see the start of this challenge. There will be 4 videos about this to see if I can make any progress. And I have to say I already like this way more than the makeup challenge. Although the makeup is okay. Although it looks fine, it's not going to be a new talent or hobby of mine. If you want to see the new challenge, tune in next week. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you like this channel, please subscribe and I will see you next week. Bye.